Hello everyone, welcome back to our English speaking course. Today we are diving into a crucial aspect of grammar, verb tenses. Understanding verb tenses is like unlocking a time machine for your sentences. It allows you to express actions in different time frames. So let's make verb tenses simple and easy to use. Part first, Introduction to verb tenses. In English, verbs change form to indicate when an action is happening. We have three primary time frames: past, present, and future. Now let's break down each one. First, past tense. First of all, the past tense. This is used to talk about actions that have already happened. For example, I visited Paris last summer. The past tense often involves adding ed to regular verbs. But irregular verbs have unique forms. They don't add ed. Just like break, broken. Now come to the next, present tense. Now the present tense, this is for actions happening right now or habitual actions. I ate lunch at noon. Regular verbs usually just need an s in the third form singular. But there are some exceptions to watch out for. Then see the next tense, future tense. Looking ahead, we have the future tense. This expresses actions that will happen. I will travel to Japan next year. Most verbs in the future tense use will or shall before the base form of the verb. Now come to the next part, part second, continuous and perfect tenses. Those are the basics, but wait, there is more. We also have continuous and perfect tenses to add nuance to our time traveling sentences. Present continuous. Present continuous is about actions happening right now. I am reading a book. Note that it uses a form of to be and the present participle verb plus ing form. Then the next tense, past continuous. Past continuous focuses on actions in progress in the past. She was studying when I called. Again, it uses to be and the past participle. Next tense, present perfect. See, present perfect expresses an action completed in the past with a relevance to the present. I have seen that movie before. It combines have or has with the past participle. Then come to the next tense, past perfect. Past perfect indicates an action completed before another passed. They had already left when I arrived. It uses had and the past participle. Then come to the part 3, tips and common mistakes. Before we wrap up, let's go over some tips and common mistakes when dealing with verb tenses. Tips for using verb tenses. Pay attention to time. Indicators like yesterday, today, and tomorrow. They give you clues about which tense to use. Practice makes perfect. Try constructing sentences in different tenses to reinforce your understanding. Common mistakes to avoid. Watch out for irregular verbs. They have unique past tense forms that we'll need to memorize. Don't mix tenses in the same sentence unless it's intentional for storytelling or specific emphasis. Here I conclude, and you will get all the things here, and there you have it. Before tenses made simple. Remember, mastering verb tenses takes practice. So keep exploring, using them in your daily conversations. Happy learning, and I will see you in the next lesson on practical pronunciation, common English sounds. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more language tips and comment below with your questions. This is Ayodhya Jadhav signing off. Thank you.